Hi, I'm Grace. I'm Kuya Rainier's cousin. First of all, to Kuya and Ate Grace, I want to say congratulations to the both of you. Even if I can't be there to celebrate with you in person, I am genuinely happy for the both of you. And I wish you all the best. May your marriage be filled with happiness, blessings, patience, and love for each other. And may you place God in the center of your relationship. May you never get tired of understanding one another, and may you continue to be a blessing to each other. And I'm so happy for the both of you. And finally, Kuya Rainier is getting married. I'm so happy for you, Kuya. And I hope to see you guys soon. And enjoy po the day. And congratulations, Kuya, and best wishes.
Congratulations, Kuya Rainier and Ate Grace, to your wedding today. I pray that you will always love each other, stay together, and God will bless you more, especially on your new journey together as husband and wife. And always remember, stay in love, and remember that the Lord will always be the one uniting you as you grow together and have a family together. Enjoy!
Hi Kuya Rainier! Congratulations on the wedding! Sayang di kami nakapunta, but hoping that it's a good and happy ceremony. Hope to see you all soon.
Hi Rainier and Grace, I just want to congratulate you on your wedding day, and I pray for happiness and also for your future family together, and God bless your marriage. I hope to see you soon here in Dubai, or I will go there in Singapore. God bless you.
Hello Rainier and Grace, congratulations on your wedding. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with love, happiness, and laughter, and endless beautiful memories together.
Cheers to the new journey of husband and wife.
Happy wedding!
Congratulations, Kuya Rainier and Ate Grace. May your marriage be filled with understanding, laughter, and unwavering love. Wishing you both a beautiful journey together as husband and wife.
Congratulations, Rainier and Grace, on your wedding.
Our apologies for not attending your wedding in Singapore this time, but God willing, we will join you this coming September in your celebration in Davao City.
And God, being the author of marriage, He will certainly be with you as you make Him the center of your wedding and union together.
Today, the two of you shall be one, and it is our prayer that you both will experience God's love and amazing grace as you start your family.
Again, congratulations and God bless you always.
Congratulations, Kuya Rainier and Grace. Wishing you both a lifetime of joy, happiness. Sorry I can't be there, but so excited for you both.
Hello, Rainier and Grace.
Hello, Rainier and Grace.
This is Ate Raika.
And Kuya C.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
We pray that God will always be at the center of your marriage.
God bless your union.
There's one advice that we could give you.
It's to
Always
choose
choose peace over being right.
Yes, always choose peace over being right.
So congratulations again. Sending all our love from Abu Dhabi. God bless you. See
God
you
bless
soon.
you. See you soon.
Congrats sa wedding niya, Kuya. God bless, and I hope to see you all soon.
Hi! Congratulations and best wishes kay Rainier and Grace.
Hello, Rainier and Grace. Congratulations and best wishes to both of you. It's my prayer that Rainier and Grace will have an open line of communications, respect, commitment, and above all, unconditional love. For love covers a multitude of sins. It's patient, kind, not proud, not easily angered. It doesn't keep a record of wrongs and gives what's best for one another. Rainier, you must be the one to initiate that unconditional love to beloved and beautiful wife, Grace. Twice, respect, please submit to your beloved husband, handsome husband, Rainier, at all times, as unto the Lord. Always include God in all areas in your life. Please don't forget to pray, ask for guidance, wisdom, and direction, and protection. And worship together as husband and wife, and as a family, and you have children later on. Once again, congratulations and best wishes to both of you.
Greetings from Dubai. Happy wedding to Rainier and Grace. Good luck.
Congratulations. Wishing you two the best of luck in life and a life full of love and adventure.
Hello, Kuya. Since Mama is not here, I am just here to represent her. And I know that she will be laughing and hugging and kissing you and be saying, Nak, I love you from heaven, and I'm very happy for you. Miss you so much. Thank you.